Maybe life hasn't been fair to you. Maybe you've been carrying more than anyone realizes. And yet, you kept going. No complaints. No dramatic breakdowns. Just quiet strength. Some days, you felt powerful. Other days, completely drained. But even on your weakest days, you still showed up. That alone makes you rare. Because most people only fight when others are watching. But you fought in silence. That is real strength. You might not see it now, but one day you'll look back and understand this wasn't your final chapter. This was your turning point. You don't need to rush. You don't need to have everything figured out. Healing takes time. Growth takes patience. But as long as there's even a small spark of hope inside you, you are not lost. You are becoming. And soon, you'll smile again. Not because life is suddenly perfect, but because you survived what was meant to break you. And when that moment comes, don't just live. Build. Because in 2025, you don't need luck. You don't need connections. You just need the right tools. AI can think with you. AI can create for you. AI can work while you rest. You've carried the pain long enough. Now let technology carry some of the weight. Your comeback won't just be emotional. It's going to be financial. Your story isn't over. It's just getting started, stronger, smarter, and more unstoppable than ever. If this message reached you, hit subscribe. Because in the next video, I'll show you how to turn AI into your comeback partner. The world hasn't seen your best yet, but it's coming.